Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to replace the chime buzzer of Jeep Compass and Renegade Magneti Marelli instrument clusters with SEI Speaker 02 replacement part. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the rear screws. With the head of the spudger, open the cluster by levering on the plastic clips. Remove the front panel. Unhook and release the PCB from the rear cover. Acting on the clips shown, with the head of the pliers, undo and remove the buzzer. Making sure that the contacts are matching, fit the new speaker. Reinsert the board in the rear cover. Fit back the front panel. Tighten the screws. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Minitools.